Good morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for September 19, 2014. The euro rose 0.63% against the US dollar and closed at 1.2918. Yesterday, the ECB, in its first of 8 targeted long-term refinancing operations to be carried out between 2014 and 2016, allocated 82.6 billion euros to 255 counterparties at a fixed interest rate of 0.15%, less than market consensus for an allotment of 150 billion euros. In the US, number of initial jobless claims registered a drop to 280,000 in the week ended 13th of September 2014, marking its lowest level since July, beating market expectations to drop to a level of 305,000 and compared to a revised reading of 316,000 in the prior week. The pair is expected to find support at 1.2870 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.2823. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.2948 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.2979. Going forward, investors will look forward to the releases of CB leading indicator from the US. The British pound rose 1.13% against the US dollar and closed at 1.6434 after the UK retail sales advanced 0.4% on a monthly basis in August, exceeding market expectations for a gain of 0.3%. The pair is expected to find support at 1.6318 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.6153. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.6587 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.6691. Going forward, the outcome of a highly awaited voting result on the Scottish independence would keep the investors on their toes. The US dollar strengthened 0.15% against the Japanese yen and closed at 108.74. The Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda stated that despite recent economic data revealing weak industrial production and exports in Japan, but he continues to remain upbeat on the recovery of nation's exports, citing improvements in the world economy. The pair is expected to find support at 108.61 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 108.06. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 109.60 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 110.03. Trading trends in the yen today would be determined by Japan's coincident and leading indices revealing the economic health of the nation, scheduled to release in a few hours. The US dollar declined 0.90% against the Swiss franc and closed at 0.9344. The Swiss franc gained ground after the SNB kept its benchmark interest rates unchanged at 0%, in line with market expectations in September. The central bank further cautioned that Switzerland's economic outlook has deteriorated considerably and trimmed its domestic growth forecast for 2014 to 1.5% from 2% and kept its inflation forecast steady at 0.1%. The pair is expected to find support at 0.9309 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.9275. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 0.9400 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.9457. Amid the lack of domestic economic data, investors would keenly await SNB's third quarter bulletin due on Wednesday to get more insights on Swiss economy. That is our final currency pair for the day. On a final note, check our 10K promotion. All you have to do is open a live trading account and you have the chance of withdrawing a bonus of $10,000. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great trading day!